The Lexus LC300's rear entertainment system offers two primary connection methods, HDMI and wireless casting. For HDMI, locate the ports in the rear console, connect your device like a game console, select the corresponding input on the touchscreen, and manage the audio using the car's controls. This supports up to 4K 60 Hz for uncompressed video. For wireless casting, connect your device via the car's Wi-Fi hotspot or direct pairing. Enable screen mirroring or stream apps like Netflix by selecting Wireless Casting in the RSE menu. Note that video playback may be disabled while the vehicle is in motion for safety reasons. Initial setup typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. Screen mirroring, a subset of wireless casting, duplicates your device's display. Examples include AirPlay for iPhones and Smart View for Samsung devices. Ensure device compatibility, connect to the LC300's Wi-Fi network, and select mirroring mode on the RSE touchscreen. Looking ahead, automotive RSE systems are trending towards wireless-first designs. Lexus is expected to integrate AI assistance for voice-controlled casting by 2027. Statistics show RSE systems can boost resale value by 5 to 7%, with casting compatibility being a key factor for buyers. Expect future upgrades to include more energy-efficient displays and potentially OLED technology.